Good morning, children. Today we will be learning about science process skill. Whenever scientists are trying to find answers for a question or an experiment, they use thinking tools called process skills. We also use this process skills when we speak, listen, read, write, or think. Following are the examples to know about the use of science process skills. Example 1, investigation on shells by Arun. Example 2, investigation on measurements by Priyanka. Example 3, investigation on use of model by Shuhash. Example 4, investigation on use of model by Swati. Let us see the investigation on seashells by Arun. Arun visits a beach. Out of his interest, he likes to collect some seashells, which look alike and also of different size and shape. Arun uses different process skills. He observes the shells that are collected and compares their size and color. Then he classifies them into groups according to their shapes. Process skills he uses are observe, compare and classify. Observe. He uses the senses to learn about the objects and events. Compare, recognize the character of things or events to find out how they appear. Classify, group or organize objects or events in categories based on specific characteristics. Investigation on measurement by Priyanka has a doubt about how would a rock undergo changes in its shape and size. She plans an experiment to find out whether rubbing the sand against a rock will cause the rock to change its size and shape. How Priyanka uses the process skill. First, Priyanka collects 4 rocks and measures their masses. She takes a jar and places the 4 rocks in a jar along with sand and water. Then she records the weight of the rocks for a week, every day by shaking them. Based on the analysis of the data, Priyanka concluded that rocks break when sand is rubbed against them. Hence, there is a change in the initial weight. Priyanka uses the process skill measure, gather data, record data, display data and interpret data. Investigation on use of model by Shuhash. Shuhash has a doubt that how a light switch works in his bedroom. To verify this, he uses the required material like batteries, a bulb holder, thumbtacks and a paper clip. Process skill he uses a model consisting of switch and wires. He connects the bulbs, wires and batteries to make the bulb glow. He infers that switch interrupt the flow of electricity and turns on the light. Hence, Shuhash's model proves his prediction and inference. Process skills Shuhash uses a model, predict and infer. Investigation on use of model by Swati. Swati plans to conduct a small experiment. She wants to know what type of paper towel absorbs more water. She plans and conducts an experiment to test her hypothesis using the following steps. She pours 1 liter of water in each of the 3 beakers. She puts a towel from each of the 3 brands into a different beaker for 10 seconds. She pulls the towel out of the water and lets it drain back into the beaker for 5 seconds. She measures the water left in each beaker. Swati controls variable by making sure each beaker contains exactly the same amount of water and timing each step in her experiment exactly. This skill she uses are hypothesis, plan and conduct experiment control variables. Thank you, children.